Tourist Information Center Talk. Good morning, everyone. This short talk explains the main services at the Riverside Tourist Information Center. The center is easy to find because it is opposite the old station. Some visitors expect it to be beside the market, but the market is 2 streets further along. When you enter the building, Freetown maps are on the left wall. They used to be near reception, but that area is now used for general questions. If you want to join a guided walking tour, please book at the activities desk. Reception can help with hotel advice, but it cannot reserve tour places. The first walking tour leaves at 10:30. Staff meet at 10 o'clock to check numbers, but visitors should not arrive for the tour before 10:15. The transport desk is beside the cafe. Last year it was beside the entrance, but moving it near the cafe gives visitors more space to ask about routes and travel cards. Bus tickets can be bought from a ticket machine. Staff at the transport desk can explain the best route, but they cannot take payment for bus tickets. Bicycle hire costs £12 per day. A helmet is included, although you may need to leave a refundable deposit if you borrow a child's seat. The family room is on the first floor. It used to be on the ground floor, but the new room is larger and has baby changing facilities. The local history exhibition is in the blue room. The green room has posters about walking routes, but the exhibition with old photographs and maps is in the blue room. Luggage lockers are available until 6 o'clock. The main center stays open until 7 o'clock in summer, but lockers must be cleared 1 hour earlier. Please ask a member of staff if you need directions to any service inside the center. Hotel Facilities Introduction.
Good evening, everyone. This short introduction explains the main facilities at the Harbour View Hotel. Breakfast is served in the garden room. Some older guest folders still mention the main restaurant, but that room is now used only for evening meals. On weekdays, breakfast starts at 6:45. At weekends it starts at 7:30, but guests leaving early from Monday to Friday can use the earlier weekday service. The gym is on the 2nd floor. The spa is on the 1st floor, so please check the signs carefully if you are looking for exercise equipment. The swimming pool is beside the sauna. The changing rooms are close by, but the pool entrance itself is next to the sauna doors. Guests must book the pool at reception. You may call reception from your room, but the booking is still made by reception staff, not through an online system. The laundry room is near the lift on the lower ground floor. The corridor near the stairs is for staff only, so please use the lift area entrance. The business center is in the oak room. It was in the maple room last year, but that room has now become a private dining space. If you need to leave luggage after checkout, it can be stored behind reception. Please do not leave bags in the meeting room or beside the front door. The roof terrace closes at 9:30. The bar stays open until 11 o'clock, but drinks cannot be taken onto the terrace after 9:30. Finally, the hotel shuttle goes to Central Station every hour. It does not go to the airport, although staff can arrange a taxi if you need one. Please ask at reception if you need help finding any of these hotel facilities.
College Accommodation Talk.
Good afternoon, everyone. This talk explains the main accommodation facilities for new students at Brookfield College. The quiet accommodation block is called Maple House. Oak House is closer to the main road, so it can be a little noisier in the evening. The shared kitchen is on the third floor. There is a common room on the second floor, but cooking facilities are one floor above that. The accommodation office is next to the library. It used to be near the student cafe, but it moved last month to give students a larger waiting area. The office opens at 8:30 in the morning. It closes at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, although urgent problems can be reported later through reception. Students need to pay a room deposit of £150. The weekly rent is paid separately, so please do not confuse the rent with the deposit. The laundry room is behind the dining hall. Some signs still point towards the sports hall, but those signs are being replaced this week. The study room is in Block C. It was in Block B last term, but Block B is now being used for language classes. Parcels can be collected from the security desk. The accommodation office can answer questions about parcels, but it does not store them. Bicycle storage is near the north gate. Visitor parking is near the south gate, so please use the correct entrance if you bring a bike. Emergency help is available from reception at any time. The maintenance office can repair problems, but reception is the first contact point in an emergency. Please read your accommodation guide carefully and ask staff if any room or facility is difficult to find.
Public Swimming Pool Guide. Good morning, everyone. This guide explains the main facilities at Northgate Public Swimming Pool. The main pool opens at 6:30 on weekdays. At weekends it opens later, at 8 o'clock, but weekday swimmers can enter from 6:30. The learner pool is beside the exercise room. It is not beside the cafe, although many parents wait in the cafe while children have lessons. Family swim sessions are on Sunday afternoons. They used to be on Saturday, but Saturday afternoons are now reserved for club training. The changing rooms are near the side entrance. The main entrance leads to reception, but swimmers should follow signs towards the side entrance after checking in. Lockers need a £1 coin. If you want a larger locker, you can get a token from reception, but normal lockers use a coin. Aqua fitness classes start in the training pool. Some classes finish in the main pool, but the meeting point and warm-up are in the training pool. The pool cafe is on the first floor. There is a small snack machine near reception, but the seated cafe is upstairs. Swimming equipment can be hired from the hired desk. The safety desk can answer questions about rules, but it does not provide floats or goggles. The viewing area is behind the glass wall. It gives visitors a clear view of the learner pool without standing beside the pool steps. Lost property is kept at the safety desk. Reception can direct you there, but it does not store lost towels, bags, or swimming caps. Please follow the pool rules and speak to a member of staff if you are unsure where to go. Town Hall Services Introduction. Good morning, everyone. This short introduction explains where to find the main public services inside East Ford Town Hall. The main information desk is in the entrance hall. Reception is just beyond the stairs, but visitors with general questions should first go to the entrance hall. The housing office is on the first floor. It used to be on the ground floor, but it moved upstairs after the public waiting area was enlarged. Parking permit forms are available from the transport desk. The general information desk can tell you the opening hours, but the forms themselves are at transport. Council tax questions should go to room 14. If you need to make a payment, that is handled separately, so do not queue in room 14 for payments. Public meetings are held in the civic room. The committee room is used by staff during the day, but public meetings are normally in the larger civic room. Payments are made at the payment counter near the back exit. Staff at other desks can explain charges, but they cannot take card or cash payments. Birth records are kept in the records office. The registration desk can arrange new appointments, but older records are stored in the records office. The lift near reception is for staff only. Visitors should use the public lift beside the main staircase if they need step-free access. Appointments can be booked until 4:30. The building closes at 5 o'clock, but appointment bookings stop half an hour before closing. Complaints should be taken to the service desk. Please do not go directly to the mayor's office, as staff there cannot register a formal complaint. Signs have been updated around the building, but staff at the entrance hall can help if you are unsure which department you need.